show you how to plug a couple of holes up in your firewall fairly easily. I made a few, just cut these out. Looks like that's going to fit real well. And I've got this one up here. Oh, let me put it up there right. Put that right there. Some JB Quick. And I know it looks like a nightmare in here, but really it's not. Everything works. I just got to put it all back together. I've got a new heater core I'm putting back in there today. Got a 3-row aluminum radiator that'll be here in a few days with twin fans with a shroud. And I'm trimming out some of the wires that aren't needed, some of the old radio wires. And I'll put it all back together and make a video. And also I'll show you how my little patch turned out here. And here's how the patches turned out. Trimming a few wires out of this that are not used anymore. Here's the 60-pin connector. It's not as hard to deal with as you think once you print it out and know what's what. And here's what it looks like over here. It's all sealed up. One down there is all sealed up. Just shot it with a little paint. This looks horrible right now, but give me time. There'll be a new 3-row radiator with dual fans. I'm trying to figure out how to do the overflow coolant tank. I don't have much room over here, so there's a few options that I'm looking into. And that's it for now.